done, done. When we're done. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's learn a little more. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. Let's sing it all again. Learning math can be so cool with a song. It's the best. Whole by 2s and make a rhyme. We'll master it in no time. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. Please. 2 times 12 is 24. Please. 24. Now you know your twos. Sing it every day. Math is so much fun. Hip, hip, hooray.
Come on, let's see what you learn. Two times 1 is 2. Good job. 2 times 2 is 4. Good job. 2 times 3 is 6. Good job. 2 times 4 is 8. Good job. 2 times 5 is 10. Good job. 2 times 6 is 12. Good job. 2 times 7 is 14. Good job. 2 times 8 is 16. Good job. 2 times 9 is 18. Good job. 2 times 10 is 20. Good job. 2 times 11 is 22. Good job. 2 times 12 is 24. Good job.
Come on, kids, gather round. Time to learn. Don't make it sound a song. It's really fun. We'll know the times tables when we're done. Done. When we're done. 2 times master it in no time.